with radius 7 centimeter and slant height is 25 centimeter. So here slant height is given, L is given there. So first you have to find out H. Okay. So first R is equal to 7 centimeter. L is equal to 25 centimeter. So H you have to find out. H is equal to top L square minus R square. Okay. So it will be 25 square minus 7 square. 25 square, 625 minus 49. What will come? 500. 576. So root of that one is equal to 24. Okay. So H you got 24. Now what you are asked to find out? Volume of that cone. Okay. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So it will be 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 24. 1 7 you can cancel. 3 you can cancel with this. 22 into 56. 22 into 56 is equal to 13 centimeter. Height it is given 12 centimeter and slant height L is equal to 13 centimeter. So you have to find out R there. R is equal to L square minus H square. So 13 square minus 12 square maybe 25. So 5. So R is equal to 5 you are getting. Now find the volume. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1 by 3 5 into 5 into 12. 4 the then 25. So it will be easy if you are putting there 3.14, no? So 25, 5 is a 25, 25, 4 is a 100. So 3.14 multiplied by 100. So it will be 314 centimeter cube. Okay. So 14 liters. Okay. The cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base. You have to use pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. So height is given 15 centimeter. H is equal to 15 centimeter. Then volume, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to, is given there 1570. Okay. Okay. So pi value 3.14, you have to use r square into 15, that is equal to 1570, or r square will be equal to 1570 multiplied by 3 divided by 3.14, again multiply by 15. So 15, yeah, 5 is up. Now 5 you can cancel here also. 3, 1, no, 4. Okay. Now, how will you cancel this one? 100. Multiply by 100. No. If you multiply 3.14 multiply by 100, you are getting 340. So you can cut this one. So 100 you will get. So R square is equal to 100. So R will be equal to 10. R is only you have to find out, no?
Yes.
A right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 8 pi of the base. So volume is given, that is 48 pi. Height is also given 9 centimeter. So h is equal to 9 centimeter and volume, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 48 pi. Okay. So 1 by 3 pi value, pi itself you will keep. You can cancel that one. R square into 9, that is equal to 48 pi. So both sides pi you can cancel. So R square, here also you can cancel that 3. R square will be equal to 48 by 3. What is 48 by 3? 16. No. So R will be equal to root of 16. That is equal to 4 centimeter. Yes, that is R. Diameter it is R. So diameter will be equal to, diameter is equal to 2 times R. That is equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Top diameter 3.5 is 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in kiloliters? So diameter is given 3.5 and height is given 12 meters. So diameter is equal to 3.5 meters. So R will be equal to 3.5 by 2 you can take. Okay. Now h is equal to 12 meters. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 3.5 by 2, again 3.5 by 2 into h. Okay? This cancel. Okay? 2 into 2 into 3, that 12 cancel.
7.
Yeah, that's 1.5. Okay? 22 into 0.5, 11 equals to half of 22. Then multiply by 3.5. What do you get? No. 38.5. 38.5. It is meter cube. Okay? Meter cube. You have to convert it into kiloliters.
Yes.
If you want to convert into liters, you have to multiply by 1000. Kiloliters, it will be same itself. Okay, no need to multiply. Just write it into kiloliters. So the same as kiloliters, that is 38.5 kiloliters. Okay, understood? Volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So hemisphere will be, the volume will be half of that of sphere. So it will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So volume of hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi r cube and volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now 13.8, first question. Find the volume of sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter and second one is 0.63 meters. So first one, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So it is 4 by 3, 20 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 1 7 you can cancel there. Now multiply 4 into 22, 88. 88 into 49 divided by 3. Six 3 meters. So volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, 20 by 7. Yeah, 0.9. Now 88 multiply by 0.63 by 3 multiply then maybe after that points will be there, that is round off.